Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW M3 Competition. We'll begin by lightly sketching the car's fundamental shape and proportions. Focus on establishing the main body lines and the placement of the wheel arches. Using simple geometric shapes, like rectangles and ovals, will help you accurately define the vehicle's overall structure before adding details. This initial step is crucial for a balanced drawing. Next, let's add some of the BMW M3 Competition's distinctive features. Carefully draw the iconic kidney grille, ensuring its correct size and position. Then, detail the sleek headlights and the aggressive front bumper with its prominent air intakes. Don't forget to sketch the side mirrors and the crisp door lines, which contribute significantly to the car's dynamic profile. Pay attention to symmetry here. Now, let's focus on the wheels and the rear section. Take your time to accurately draw the intricate wheel designs and the visible brake calipers. Move to the back of the car, detailing the distinctive rear lights and the quad exhaust pipes, a signature M feature. Finally, add the rear diffuser and any spoiler elements, ensuring they align with the car's sporty aesthetic. These details bring the drawing to life. For our final step, we'll add shading and refine the drawing. Use different pencil pressures to create shadows and highlights, giving your BMW M3 Competition a three-dimensional look. Vary your line weights. Thicker lines can emphasize contours, while lighter lines suggest reflections. Carefully erase any visible construction lines and sharpen all the edges for a clean, professional finish. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.